Park District Library, and I have a special visual to share with you. Sometimes it helps to see things that we can't normally see so that we can imagine them a little better. Let me show you what I mean. When we breathe, there are these special things inside of us called lungs, and they fill up with air and then they deflate. And I like to imagine them going big and then getting smaller when I breathe in and out. And this is a cool way that I can share with you so you can kind of imagine what's happening inside of you when you breathe. So when you breathe, you can imagine these lungs in here going. Did you see that? It got so big. Let's try again. Now this is a pretty cool ball. You may not have one of these at home to use to imagine what your lungs might look like, but you do have your hands. So you can even pretend that your lungs are in your hands like this. So we start off small and then we'll get bigger when we inhale. Ready? There it is. So if you're doing some breathing to make you feel good inside, you can imagine one of these filling up inside of you. Or you can even use your hands to pretend that you can actually see your lungs getting bigger and smaller as you breathe.